After we get out of the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.
Tali no, no. Hindi ako tayo kita ka.
Kaya, ba?
Ayun. Konta na. Kasama yung po.
Can you guys help me pick a filter? I don't know if I should go with XX Pro or Valencia. That'll look tan. What should my caption be? I want to be clever. How about living with my bitches, #live. I only got 10 likes in the last 5 minutes. Do you think I should take it down? Let me take
3, 2,
another
1.
selfie.
Nasler.
Let me take a selfie.
Oo lang yun.
Tapos, may nakagat tayo sa
Wait, pause. Jason just liked my selfie. What a creep. Is that guy sleeping over there? Yeah, the one next to the girl with no shoes on? That's so ratchet. That girl is such a fake model. She definitely bought all her Instagram followers. Who goes out on Mondays? Okay, let's go take some shots. Oh no. Ugh, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh wait, never mind, I'm fine. Let's go dance. There's no vodka at this table. Do you know anyone else here? Oh my god, Jason just texted me. Should I go home with him? I guess I took a good selfie.
Bakit ko mamaya?
Wow. Talo ng mga lasing eh.
Let me take a selfie.
May tanong lang po ako.
Good po. Ano? Ano yan? Ano to? Ano? Dating daan.
Pwede mo naligawan?
Hindi, niligaw ako. Tagal na. Payag na nga si Kuro. Just papapaalam ko.
Naliligawan ka na po sa mga
Bubbly, 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 bubbly. Set it! You see that girl with the big tic tac, she be gimme the head to the floor, girl, gimme the bend over, girl, and gimme the spit down to the ground, seismic activity. Spin round me, girl, and gimme the top wine, girl, and gimme the body look fine, girl, gimme the coming out, waste of time, girl, gimme the body look good, girl, you ever be winning it. Turn it up right, girl, you never be dimming it. Take up your body, cause you're in your element. Funny body, me take up a permanent resident.